Tips to improve your affiliate marketing campaigns. Whether you're just a novice in affiliate marketing trying to get a strong start, or you want to get more out of your existing affiliate program, this video can give you some great advice to achieve your goals. Apply the ideas you learn here, and before you know it, you'll be an affiliate success story. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Affiliate marketers should understand that there's a huge difference between clicking through a link to visit a page and actually paying for a product. This means you need to focus on the quality of your content and on the quality of the products you select. It is not enough that visitors click. They have to buy. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. Affiliate marketing can be an extremely lucrative way to increase your income, but you need to make sure that you are going about it the right way. By using what you've learned in this video, you can avoid common errors and pitfalls and get the most out of your affiliate program. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.